there are so many tools and so many actors involved in the disaster risk management and climate change adaptation process. But often these tools, they do not talk to one another, these actors don't talk to one another properly, and they are locked into silos.
There are many interoperability gaps that can negatively influence the seamless exchange of information between data and modeling, communication and governance systems. Here we share insights on interoperability gaps and needs from our directed real-world lab practitioners and researchers across Europe. In Roskilde Fjord in Denmark, multiple national data platforms exist but operate in silos, with limited real-time data sharing between municipalities and emergency services, and without user-friendly interagency mapping tools. In Emilia-Romagna in Italy, time lags in data collection across fragmented public and private sources limit forecasting efficiency and hamper capacity to address multiple hazards in a shared platform. In the Danube region, the HORA platform provides a strong example of public-private data sharing and collaboration, but it does not extend beyond the Austrian border to serve the wider transboundary region. Indirected, these interoperability gaps are addressed through the data fabric, which allows users to connect any standardized model or dataset and access relevant information through a visual interface. The Risk Tandem process was applied to facilitate the multi-stakeholder collaboration needed to co-design a modular and interoperable system for the context and needs of each real-world lab. Through this process, we learned that APIs are critical for enabling the technical interoperability between data and models in the back end. Standardization and open data formats are fundamental to making this work in practice. But interoperability also requires a shared taxonomy, a common understanding of spatial and temporal context, and a visual platform to bring these together and build that shared understanding amongst stakeholders. Practitioners, users, and developers need to work locally in an interactive co-design process to ensure long-term ownership and to support capacity building in stakeholder organizations.
From the interface, from the system, and the APIs that run behind it. So what we are still learning is interfacing with them and confronting with them about developing something that is useful in real scenarios.
Another lesson learned was also the importance to implement this agile methodology in the development of the data fabric. So starting with a mock-up and then discussing with the stakeholder and then again reiterating the feedbacks. So with the first beta version and then several versions until the deployment of the service. So this iteration allows the technological developer to really tailor the solution around the user needs.